I've had a few requests to take a look at the oil market or the energy market. So last year's yearly cycle low occurred in February, so I would expect it to occur sometime in the spring of this year. I think we're probably moving down into it now, but I don't think we're there quite yet. So you can see this year, or this intermediate cycle here, was right translated. As such, the cycle low did not move below the previous cycle low. Same thing for this intermediate cycle here, also right translated. The intermediate cycle low did not drop below the previous ICL, but this intermediate cycle looks like it's going to be left translated. Our top occurred right here, and then this second daily cycle was not able to push above this high, and now it's already dropped below this daily cycle low. So we've got what is a failed and left translated daily cycle in progress. I suspect we're going to have another leg down. It'll probably correspond with the stock market also moving down into its yearly cycle low. Maybe that comes sometime in April, might even stretch out to the early part of May. But based on this left translation of this larger intermediate cycle, I think the odds are pretty good we're going to drop below the November low. So, maybe we test $40 again at the yearly cycle low here in a month or two. And I've shown this before. Usually works pretty good to watch the triple leveraged funds, and when you get a really heavy volume up week, that'll often mark the bottom. You can see the yearly cycle low in 2016 in the triple leveraged energy bull fund. We had a huge volume spike here, and that did end up marking the bottom. So I'm kind of tracking the volume in the triple leveraged fund here as we work our way down into that yearly cycle low. The first thing I'd want to look for is some sign of capitulation selling, which would be a very heavy volume on maybe 1 or 2 or 3 down weeks, and then preferably an up week that has a really heavy volume. That would be a pretty good sign that smart money feels that the bottom is in, and then they're starting to pile into the sector. So you can see right now the volume is pretty low, so I don't think we're quite at the bottom just yet. So that's one of the things among several others that I'm going to be watching over the next 4 or 5 weeks maybe. And I think we are going to get a very good buying opportunity in the energy stocks here soon, but I think it's still just a little bit early right now.